Okay, this is how you change your keyboard layout to Dvorak, Dvorak. I just call it Dovahkiin because I like Skyrim. So first you switch around the keys. On this keyboard, these two keys, the ones with the bumps on it for your index fingers, they only fit in that spot and nowhere else because they're a different shape. So I had to use Sharpie and write on top of it, and it looks pretty shitty. I might go back with paint sometime if I'm not too lazy. So you switch them around. You can look up the order online. This is a special left-hand kind where you're using only your left hand to do the whole keyboard. So I'm going to be doing left-hand keyboard, right-hand mouse. Once my right hand's healed, until then it's the left hand for both. And Windows has an option to enable a default Dovahkiin layout kind of thing. It only works within Windows. It works in Notepad and Word and Chrome and probably all the other internet browsers, but it will not work in something like this Flash program or a video game. It won't work in those places. So what I've done instead is I used AutoHotkey. It's a free program, and I've rewrote all of the keys. So Q goes to colon, W to Q, E to B, R to Y. And if you want to do this yourself, I highly recommend, so you don't run into problems, write this part here, #escapechar space \. The \/ key has not moved, and that's that's the notation for a literal. So that's important because you see, this is kind of computer programming crap, but you see how double colon is saying bind this to that? Well, when you get to colon down here somewhere, anyways, the reserved characters that the programming language uses to understand stuff, I don't see it. I don't know where I put it. Oh, here it is. Okay, so like here's semicolon, and I put this symbol in front of it, the \, and that tells it for the next character, literally use that character and don't read it as what you would normally read it as. In this programming language, it is a thing for comments, something that the program does not read but is just there for humans to read and understand. So without this \, it all screws up. So it's important to put that at the top. See, like all this text, the program doesn't read any of that because of these colons, or the semicolons. And you need that over here for it to read right. And I did it once more somewhere else. Guess not. Anyways, it's all bound up. It's pretty cool. Really hard to learn. I'm looking for a good software. If anybody knows a good software for learning to type, all the stuff I'm finding is too advanced. I need really basic. It's like T T T T T T T T T F or T. I'm still thinking the old layout. T F T F T F T F T F. I had a good one in middle school. I don't know what it was called, but all of them that I found so far suck.